Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some cabbage for you. I'm a big fan of cabbage and this is one way I like to do it. I did some cabbage wedges for you. It's just simple, just take the cabbage here, wash it off, and it was a big jug. It was like 6 pounds, so it was a big old cabbage. So instead of usually doing it in quarters, I had to cut it in 8. So I just washed it off, quartered it out, and then 8'd it instead of doing it in quarters. And then I got some butter, melted a stick of butter so I could start just basting it on and covering the cabbage wedges so my seasoning will adhere better. And then I got it, smothered it over it, and you just got a basting brush or spoon or whatever, just put it over it. And all I had was a spoon today, so just spoon fed it over it. And then I had it and started on my seasoning. I just did salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and some garlic powder. And I just covered both sides of the wedges really well. And then I'll put the measurements down below so you know what all went on it. And then it went into the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And then once that 15 minutes is up, I'll take it out, flip it over on one side, go back in for 15, take it out and do that one more time, rotate it onto the other side. And then for the dressing I did for it, I did some of my hot sauce, mayonnaise, smoked paprika, and then just a touch of salt. And then that's what I dressed it with. And then just a little bit touch more smoked paprika on it. And that's all there is to it. Just a simple, good way to enjoy cabbage. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one.